Today we are replacing the tips or nibs of a Galaxy Note 10.1. We can see that this tip is broken, but we have ordered some from China. It appears that there are no replacement here in the United States, but for around $5 you can get some from China. With this tool you only have to pull the old tip to remove the broken tip. And then you only have to push the new tip into the pen. Well guys, this is the end of the video. If you like what you saw, make sure you click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.